I'm really happy to be with you today, although I'm not the appropriate person for this job. One has to be very fit to be ambassador of Fit India. But then you must be knowing that our Honorable CM is an ambassador of this. He has been made an icon for this Fit India movement by the Honorable Prime Minister. And this is a very important moment. I was just going through this, trying to understand what kind of moment is this. This has been started in 2019, 29th August 2019 it has been started. And it's very important to be fit. Let me tell you, I was also as fit as you are today. But then I lost the track somehow. One should not. One should be always ready, and one should be, health is the most important thing. I'll give a simple analogy of health. I hope you are listening, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Simple analogy of health. If you have 5 zeros, do they have any significance? Do they mean anything? 5 zeros? Yes, tell me. Do they mean anything?
Yes.
Huh? You're saying yes, 5 zeros, what they mean? Any weight with them, right? If you put 1 at the start of them, what does it mean? That imparts the significance to 5 zeros. Do you understand? Now these 5 zeros are, what is your life, your family, your friends, your money, your, just profession, everything. But these 5 zeros don't hold anything unless there is 1 at the start. And what is that 1? Yes?
1 lakh.
I'm saying that there are 5 zeros, they are different things of life. They are your, just family, friends, wealth, profession, everything. But 1 that imparts significance to those 5 zeros, what is that 1? Health. Of course, it's health. So if it is 1 that imparts significance to 5 zeros, so you must understand the importance of health. If you are healthy, if you are fit, then you have family, then you have friends, then you have profession, then you have everything. My message to all of you is that you should always remain fit, and you should carry this message to others also. What is important, there must be 50 or 60 odd students here. I was expecting a bigger gathering. But this gathering is also enough. Let you carry this message to your college, to your families, to your parents, like me, that you should remain fit. And I thank Professor Seema ji for organizing this for all the colleges, and I wish you best for the journey. But what is important is that you carry this message to your family. And
Honoring the Fit India initiative, and it is organized by our institution, and we are very thankful to all the colleges who have sent their students and deputed their PTI along with their students. And as sir rightly said, we were expecting a greater number, but even it is few students can carry the message, and the main motive is that we all need to be fit. And as Director Colleges, Professor Sheikh Ejaz Bashir has already told you about the backdrop of this whole initiative, and all the colleges of our higher education will be organizing programs on this. It has been communicated to us via our Director Colleges, and this is the kickstart of this initiative from our college, being the nodal college. And we are very thankful to sir that in the early hours of the morning he was with us, and we look forward for his kind support in our future endeavors and initiatives also. Thank you sir for being a part of this initiative. This has not only encouraged the students, but it has also encouraged all the PTIs and our institution, and collectively we can communicate the message to the nation, because we are the building blocks of the nation. You know, the youth, the teachers, we together can bring about and spread the message in a very nice manner. So today we are going to have this Fit India run. It's not any kind of a race in which we'll be having first, second or third. All of you will be given a certificate of participation, and we'll start from here. Sir will flag off your race, and it will conclude at Nehru Park. I request all the students to move in a very orderly and a proper manner, and under the supervision of all our PTIs, and try to convey the message that we all need to be fit and continue to be fit, and future also continuously we will be organizing this program, and we look forward that all our students will be a part of this program, and we will have more students in our next program. Thank you, sir, very much for joining, and thank you all for being a part of this program.
And healthy lifestyle. To take out 30 minutes every day for my fitness and health. For my fitness and health. To encourage my family members and neighbors to stay fit and healthy. Okay, thank you.
Very important.